Bad hair days. We all have them, but how do we combat them? I'm gonna show you in this video. All right, you guys, if you don't have long, flowy, beautiful hair like Ani, you need extensions. I highly recommend it because aside from instantly getting long hair, you're able to go from this to fabulousness, and so it's in such an easy way. All right, so I have several different kind of extensions, and I'm going to show you guys how to get different hairstyles using the extensions when you're having a bad hair day. So first I have the clip-in extensions, long ones. So I have the ponytail, which I got from LA from His and Hers Beauty. I'll leave a link to their website below. And I love the color, it matches exactly my color. And these clip-in extensions I got from the hair shop in LA. They have several different locations and they also have a website. So I'll leave a link to their website as well. But they're both pretty long. I have this as more wavy and this straight. So what I do is I go off of like how my hair is feeling. If my hair is just like literally nothing can be done when it's short, I have to tie it up in a ponytail. So the easiest way to do that is I feel like to make it look cool if I'm going out in the evening. There's several different ponytails you could do. You could do the sleek ponytail, the middle part ponytail, and those are easy, so I'm not gonna show you how to do a middle part ponytail because all you have to do is literally slick your hair back. I'm gonna show you guys how to get kind of like a faux hawk ponytail. Like a little more edgier look, because I like to think I'm a little on the edgier side. So all you have to do is get your bangs and tease them. So you have this whole teased look going on, and then get the sides of your hair, brush it, and then what you want to do is tie your hair. See how you get the whole mohawk look going on? And don't mind all of this because I am now officially losing all my hair after giving birth. Hopefully all of this will come back. All you moms have left me comments on Instagram telling me it will grow back, so I'm really dependent on what you guys have to say. So what you do, all ponytails come with a little clip here, as you can see, and the edge when you, all you have to do is clip it in. Clipped in. And then you literally just start getting that edge and going around. This is like the superest, easiest hairstyle ever that makes you look just fabulous in minutes. And then you get your little hair clips, and don't open them, don't do anything, just stick them in there and it sticks. When you open it, it like loses its texture and everything. This, when you keep it closed, it holds better. My hairstylist taught me that one. And then put as many as you want to keep it as tight. If like you're gonna be out all day and you wanna have it in place, definitely add more. And then brush it out. And you have a cool mohawky, faux hawky ponytail, you guys. Another good thing about investing in a ponytail or clip-in extensions is that you don't want to put heat to your hair every day. So I'll basically wash my hair once a week. I know, don't judge me. But after that, because it's not good to put product and heat in your hair. So after that, after like the third day when it's starting to get like the oily look, I put some dry shampoo and start adding my ponytails or my clip-in extensions, and it like revives my hair and it looks nice and it's not damaging. That's the most important thing, because you don't want to damage your hair. If you're curling your hair or straightening your hair or blow drying your hair every day or every other day, you're screwing up your hair bad. And already I'm like a bottle blonde, and that's already damaging enough. I don't need to add heat to this whole thing. All right, next up, I'm gonna be doing a half up, half down look using clip-in extensions. So I just got these actually, and I like the color is like a great color match to my hair. And it usually comes with 7 pieces, clip-in extensions. I'm using the 3 for my short hair, so I've cut them short, so just for some volume. But for half up, half down look, you could use the 4 that I'm gonna be doing right now. So it's like a big long piece, a short one with 3 clips, and then the two clippers. All right, so let's start with the longest one goes on the bottom. And you want to go as low as possible because you don't want this stuff sticking out and looking like you're wearing extensions. So like go as low as you can. And then what you do is basically tease your hair where you're going to put the extensions. And then add them in. Actually, I'm gonna use the 3 clip first. The bottom of your hair is shorter. So when you tease it, it just makes it so much easier. It's just with the clip to go in and not come out because you don't want your extensions falling out. Step 1, you have your first layer in. Now for the second. And this isn't gonna give you like the full long hair, like full voluminous long hair, but that's okay because the entire point of this is to get it half up, half down. So we only need like half of it to look full. Same thing, tease it up. And this has 4 clips to put in the back. And now we have 2 more left. So what we're gonna do, it's the shorter ones, not shorter in length, but the smaller ones. We're gonna add it right here to the sides to get your sides looking full. See how when you put it on the side, it immediately covers all like the shortness you have in the front? And if you don't tease it well enough, the extension will fall. So I highly recommend teasing it nicely. Sometimes I put hairspray in there as well. Okay, so that's good enough. And if you're buying a package and you don't need to cut it, you could add all 7 of them for the fuller look for the top as well. But for us right now, we're gonna get the half up, half down look. And tease up my hair, my bangs again. And you could go as high as you want with this. And when I do, I leave that first and I do the sides and then I go to it. So, wanna grab a little piece of your hair. Like just like the front baby hair basically. Like all the short hairs, because you want the long hairs showing, not the short. And bring it back in a slick way and clip it in. so your extensions don't show. And you have long hair, you guys. So all I did is get the short pieces of my hair. There's no extensions here. The extensions are here. And brush it back. Hairspray it so it's in place. And use a bobby pin and bobby pin it in. And if you want it more curly, you could put some curls through the extensions, but I think I like it more wavy. So this is hairstyle number 2 you could get. Again, it looks like I went to a hair salon to get my hair done, when in reality I'm having a really bad hair day and my hair is like, needs to be washed. All right, last but not least, I'm gonna do a mohawk faux hawk. Is it a mohawk or a faux hawk? Anyways, messy, last but not least, I'm gonna do a little faux hawk bun, a messy bun. So if you don't have a ponytail to do a messy bun, I'm gonna show you how to do it with just like your clip-in extensions. So as you can see, I already have this, but before I'm gonna like set into place, I'm gonna get my ponytail going. So the sides, brush it out, and just tie your hair tight. Okay, so I got my tightness, the tight ponytail, and I'm gonna take out some areas from here so it's even. And again, like I mentioned earlier, you can make it as high as you want. Like I could go like this high if I want. And hairspray the sides down, or you could use a balm because you want like that sleek look on the sides. And then brush your fingers through it. Okay, so now I have this like little thing and it's like not fabulous at all. So what I do is grab my clip-in extension, clip it in there, so I go around clipping it in, and I start going around for the bun. And again, I use my bobby pins and I don't open them up. I just stick it in there. And if that's not big enough and you want like a bigger bun, just add more extension. So I'll add one more with the clips. Just clip it in. And from that side, just like you want the messy look, so just go around. And it doesn't matter how you're putting in your bobby pins. Like I like to like make it look messy, but like you want to hide anything that's exposed. All right, you guys. Basically all you need to do is use your bobby pins and like get that whole messy look. Like if you want it structured, awesome, just do it in a more structured way, but this is like the whole messy look because it is an edgier look and it's not such a classic look. And put some hairspray to get your flyaways away, and you have basically an evening time look, and it took only like 3 minutes and you didn't even need to wash your hair for it. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the 3 easy tutorials that I just did. If you have any other hair tutorial suggestions, leave them in the comments below and I will get back to you guys, and see you next time.